You can do it, Joe.
All over Zach. No, we've got no first press, there's no point in it.
I'm
going for the long one.
Actually, that was disgusting. That was you.
Get out of the firing line.
We're firing, like, get on the view. Do it. Do it. How do I do? No, this is getting proper sick now.
I'm like a little green gas. No, that's not it. That's not quite the right pitch.
Don't ask me how there is a way to control the airflow.
No, I can't do that very well. I tend to vomit. Well,
Oh no!
that's why I'm not going to burp. I'm moving out the shot. What? Yeah, we don't want that to fire.
Yeah, it's wrong with the gas, the burp.
I've got beer.
Well, it's my tummy feels funny.